If you're kind of new to making YouTube videos, then the Neewer CN-160 should be either in your kit or on your wish list. So this is a really kind of ubiquitous piece of equipment in the photography and videography world. It's made by Neewer, which I think their tagline is something like professional level equipment at amateur prices. And that kind of works out pretty well. So if you're not using your equipment all day long like a professional, but you want to have some decent equipment, Neewer's a great brand to look into. So let's start out. It's got 160 LEDs across here. There's the 160 and C160. And it does come with a couple of filters. So you can put filters across the top. So one of them just makes it softer light, and one of them is a yellow filter to turn it to more of an incandescent light color instead of a daylight color. Fresh out of the box, you're going to need to put 6 AA batteries in this thing, and it's going to chew through batteries. So pretty soon you're going to want to upgrade to another solution for powering this thing. There's some solutions of batteries, rechargeable batteries that you can use. I'll put some links down below. Those just pop in here and click into place. You can see I've got it turned on now. And the other thing, this is a new thing I got. I just got this, and this is also from Neewer, and this is an AC adapter. So you can plug into the wall. It's got 7 feet of cord on it. And then you can plug that into the back just like you would a battery, and then this plugs in. So you've got a couple different options for power. You do have a little test button on the back here, so you can see how much power is remaining in your battery. So like with this one, it's showing it's just 1 dot instead of 4, so this battery is running low. I did notice that with the AC adapter, it lights up 2, and I think that is, I've got a theory on that. Ask me in the comments if you want to know. So as you saw earlier, it can go from pretty dim up to pretty damn bright, and it's great. It's super versatile. It's got a hot shoe or a cold shoe, I guess, adapter. So if you have a video camera or a DSLR, you can slide this into the top of the camera and then tighten it down. And it also has in the bottom a 1/4-20 screw. So this is the standard screw that you would find at the top of a tripod. So you can put it on a tripod and set it somewhere. I also use another little adapter that's a clamp that has the 1/4-20 screw on it, so you can clamp it to different places around the room. This is a great option, so you can really put this thing anywhere. Or if you have one of those Gorilla tripods, you can mount this to one of those. It's a great option because in a pinch, you can use it as a front light. It's a little bit small for a front light. I've used it as a hair light, used it to light up something that I'm filming. It's very versatile when it comes to lights. I know selfie lights are very, very common right now. They do provide a nice light, but this one is just so easy. It's so compact, gives you a lot of light from a relatively small source, but it does have at least 5 inches across. So it's not like a pinpoint light that casts a really harsh shadow. So it's got some great quality light. And it's at a great price of just 25 bucks on Amazon. So the links are down below if you want to support my channel and purchase any of this good stuff that I shared today. Otherwise, I've got some more reviews up here for other gear that you might be interested in if you're entering the world of videography as an amateur. And down here, I've got a subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this.